Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we are going to talk about what can we expect to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum and also altcoins within the next hours and days, guys. So first of all, let me show you. We are going to talk about this important pattern here, then this one here, also the Bitcoin dominance, then also Ethereum, and of course also Solana, guys, because Solana makes us rich. I talked about this, guys. Check out this video here. Solana makes us rich 1,600% plus with proof. And also here, guys, over on Twitter, now called X, we are long on Solana, yeah, since $23. And as you can see here, right now it's 53, almost $54. So if you would have invested with us, let's say you have, $2,000 with a 25x leverage, $50,000 position, you would have more than $50,000 profit just with this one trade, guys. So it's very important that you really also turn on the notifications for my videos. Follow me over on X, because sometimes I share some really nice trade setups for completely free. And of course, you can buy the online course at cryptodealers.com. Then you can go to the elite group, and then we make a lot of money together, guys. Okay. So first of all, guys, let me show you what's going on right now here with Solana. It's really crazy. It's pumping, because we are long. We are long on Solana. As you can see here, I made some trade setup here for people who were not in the long trade, for new people in our elite group, as you can see here. And just today, as you can see here, if you would have entered here, you would have a profit of almost 10%. So with the 100k position, you would have a profit of $10,000 just in one day, just today, guys, just today. But basically, yeah, if you've been subscribed to the channel for a longer time, or if you're part of our group, then you would have a profit of around, let me show you, yeah, around 120%, 120%, guys, yeah. So let's say you would have had a 100k position, you would have a profit of $120,000, guys. Okay, but this is just this one trade, guys. Let me show you some trades over here, because I have a lot of altcoin trades open here on Bybit, as you can see here. Aave, Phantom, Chainlink, Solana, and many more. And guys, if you also want to trade, yeah, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. And of course, our legendary Bitcoin trade is also open. I showed you in the last video, we had a profit of around 50k, and we had some correction, a little correction to the downside. But what do I do? If there is a correction, I scale up the trade and I buy more. So a little spoiler, I guess in the next video I will show you, we will have a lot of profit, guys, a lot of profit, more and more. Then in the last video, because I scaled up the trade, and this will be amazing. And this is, guys, this is just one single trade. Okay, we have a lot, especially if you're in the elite group, a lot of trading setups, and you will make a lot of profit if you're part of the Crypto Dealers family. So, but for now, let me show you guys what's going on here. As you can see here, this white line is very important, because as you can see here, I talked about this in my previous videos. We have this symmetrical triangle, yeah. The technical breakout target of this triangle was $36,800, which you really perfectly reached. Check out my last video. I really nailed it to the dollar. And now the question is, of course, what can you do if you're standing on the sideline? Or first of all, guys, I want to congrats to each and every one of you who follows my trades, because then you're making a lot of money. So as long as we hold this line here, yeah, this is some important resistance, and then I would say there's some psychological resistance at $38,000. But basically, from the chart wise, I would say the next is at around $38,600. So this means from right now on, this would be another move of, let me show you, around 3.5%. So maybe we see some kind of consolidation here, but this is what we're going to talk about here with this chart, because we also had this broadening wedge. Yeah, we had this broadening wedge, and we broke out to the upside. Yeah, then we had this correction down here, and now we are trading in this triangle. And I also want to talk, guys, let me show you, if you're new to crypto, yeah, wow, Solana, can you see this here, guys? 19% plus just today. and we are long since $23. Just calculate, guys, crazy. Just today, 18% plus. This is amazing. Let me show you guys what happened yesterday. This is a typical liquidation week. Why did this happen? Because as you can see here, the Bitcoin market dominance, okay? We had the peak here, so to say, at this resistance line, and then we dropped very fast, and then now, as of right now, we are fighting around this support and resistance line right now, acting as resistance, yeah? And as you can see here, if you are new to crypto, we had a huge week. Let me measure this for you guys. From here to down here, it's around 20%, yeah? So if you're new to crypto, this might shock you, but if you have been in this game for a longer time, you know that's just a part of the game. So basically, if the new people, let's say, FOMO in here in a long trade, then of course, you know, the exchanges are not here to, I mean, basically some people get rich, but basically the exchanges are here to get rich, okay? They want to make money. So a lot of people, maybe, let's say, for example, went in a long position here, entered the long position, and then the exchange said no, bam, liquidation week, and within a short time we had the same price level as before again. This happened to a lot of altcoins. Let me show you Polkadot here. Exactly the same with Polkadot. We had the week down of around, let me show you guys, it's around 15%. So same here, people FOMO in here because the prices are going up. And then the exchanges say no, not with me. So we had a liquidation week, and then after a short time we had again basically the same price levels as before, or even a little bit higher. So if you're new to crypto, get used to this. Basically no one knows when this can happen, but it will happen. So at any point of time it will happen, guys. So what's important that you don't get wrecked? First of all, don't use too high leverage. I mean, first of all, if you use leverage, it's always good, put a stop loss a tiny bit above your liquidation price. Let's say your liquidation price would be at around, let's say $20. Put the stop loss at 20.1 or whatever, a little bit above the liquidation price, because it's more expensive to get liquidated than to just get stopped out with the stop loss. So always use a stop loss above your liquidation price. That's very important, guys. And basically it's part of the game. If you see a week like this, this is not a consolidation phase. Let's say a normal consolidation phase. Let's say, okay, we have a move up here. Let's say a normal consolidation phase would look somehow like this, some movement between support and resistance, so movement between support and resistance, and then we would see another move, I would say, starting to the downside like this. I mean, lower highs, lower lows, and then the price goes down. But this is just a liquidation week. So if you see something like this, it's usually, I would say, a really good opportunity to enter again, because as you can see here, it's just a very short time and then bam, up again. This yellow line here is acting as support, and sometimes you can even place some buy orders below this line, because these liquidation weeks will always happen. You never know. No one in the crypto game knows when they will happen, but they will happen. Okay, so let's continue here with this pattern here with Bitcoin. Okay, as you can see here, I can imagine that we see some kind of, let's say, maybe a short consolidation, just a short consolidation, because not a lot of there's not a lot of time left until we break this here. Let's see, it's about it could be like 3 days, but I guess we are getting close to the apex, so I guess we're gonna break this soon. And of course the next price target would be up here, and another move to the upside would bring us more money, guys. I hope you are also in long trades, because the narrative, and I would say in general, the crypto market looks very bullish. Okay, so we also want to talk about Ethereum right now. As you can see here, I said in my last video, as long as we hold this green line, we are looking very, very bullish. Now, as you can see here, we had this really huge move to the upside yesterday of around almost 12%. Now the question is why? The answer is because BlackRock, the company who also wants to implement Bitcoin ETF, now applied for an Ethereum ETF. And as the news came out, as you can see here, this huge move here, 12% plus. I hope, guys, you were already in a long trade, because this makes us a lot of money. Now the question, of course, is how high can we go? I would say the first resistance level, as you can see here, is this one. So this is why we had this small consolidation. If you break above this, we can of course scale up the trades again. And the next one is coming in at around $2,260, which would be another move of around, let me show you guys, 8%, okay? And then above this, we have a lot of levels to watch, but there's some, yeah, I would say this for the future, as you can see, because the Ethereum price was, of course, already much higher. But as right now, we have these price levels to watch here, yeah, for the future, I mean, for the next days, I would say, yeah. So that's what's going on right now, guys. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.